Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to change an issue type in Jira. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few clicks. First, let me show you how to access the ticket you want to modify. Go ahead and open it from your board. You'll find a three-dot menu in the top right corner of the ticket. Click that, then select Move from the drop-down options. Here's an important note. If you're working in a service desk project, you may need to relocate the ticket to a different project first, like a scrum board, where your desired issue type is available. Now you can select your new issue type from the list. For this example, we'll convert it to a story. Simply click Next to continue. On this screen, you'll want to set the appropriate status for your newly converted issue. Review your changes and click Confirm to complete the conversion. That's all there is to it. You now know how to change issue types in Jira. Feel free to run through this walkthrough again anytime you need a refresher.